Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to extract RAR file in Windows 11. We will access the folder to see the elements to be compressed. There, select all, right-click on them, and from the option, Win RAR, you can extract directly using the name or click on Add to Archive to open some options. In this window, you can set some options for your file, and when you define it, you must click on OK to start the compression of these objects. You can see your created compressed file. Now delete the elements from the folder and only leave the compressed one. You will double-click on the compressed file to open the utility. There you will see the content. You can extract everything or just some elements. Click on Extract To, and when defining the destination path, click on OK. You can now see your extracted files in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.